I know that some people would really love to pretend that they're me, but being me is not very easy. See, I'm at an impasse right now. On my next spell I'm doing, I have to decide whether if Gemini has to tell the truth to Leo or Leo has to tell the truth to Gemini. Now they're both deceitful cockroaches. So I don't know. Leo has a worse track record with the truth. Gemini, I don't even know, but he wanted to be me. So he, I guess, has a good outlook on how to carry himself. Like, I'm flattered. But I'm a cool person to want to be. So, I mean, that's a good decision to want to be like me. So we're going to go ahead and have Gemini give the truth to Leo and to the Ace of Swords. And I've fucked Leo off with the Ace of Swords before. He knows that sword really fucking well. Yep, Gemini is going to tell the truth to Leo. And me being as intuitive as I am, that truth is gonna fucking hurt. And Leo's been cut with that sword before. I'll get him with it. Continue. Those are those decisions I'm left to make. Who gets the 9 swords? Leo gets the 9 swords. 100%. Oh, and Leo's reversed, and Gemini wasn't, so I made the right decision. When they're reversed, that means that they're guilty or wrong. They did something in the wrong way. When they're reversed, that's like, hey, they were definitely the bad one. The argument, the conflict resolved. There, reverse. Spirit's so fucking smart, dude. Like, who's running blockage? He's gonna run a blockage on Pisces. See, now I'm going to. She needs to quit drinking. So when she thinks about drinking, someone's gonna come and force a blockage. I mean, I'll send Pentacles her to lose her money she would have spent on drinking, but she's not drinking. So people are gonna cock block her every chance. Capricorn gets a new beginning because Capricorn really didn't do much. Even though she did know that I was being gang stalked and did not tell me about it. As to whether or not, I will look into that. As to whether or not she was compensated as well for calling in for my child. If she was, my view of her is going to change. And it will shatter her heart if my view of her changes. If she is perceived as bad in any way in my eyes, that is shame. Queen of Swords. I don't want to have a break her heart. So I'm not going to want to have to look in on it. But if Six Pentacles Reverse comes up with her, my view of her is going to shift. Apocalypse now. Queen of Swords. How's that for a dose of truth? That one was for free. Queen of Swords, 2 Pentacles. Okay, Libra? She's not reversed. Let's see what else we got. Because she's not reversed at all. That's a shame. Emperor's reversed. Emperor's always reversed. One of my first videos I made is called Really Just Really. And under 4 of Pentacles, reversed Emperor, reversed Empress. And I was like, a reversed Empire? Who's in control of this? That was before I knew what gang stalking was and what was actually going on. In control was a reverse empire. No joke. Continue. And I made that video. So Really Just Really. Towers in play. Why the fuck doesn't the Emperor learn? The Emperor has a learning disability. Like, I want to take Pisces' brain I want to replace it with bird shit. It will operate better. Just take her brain out, squeeze birds until they shit into her brain, and then hope and pray that that fucking fixes the problem. Emperor reverse. Bad misfortune. Tower. 9 of Wands reverse. Judgment of Magician. Why the fuck do you make me do that? Why do you make me do that? I know I can do whatever the fuck I want, whatever the fuck I want to, but the fucking guidelines for, like, seriously, maybe the, this and that. I have to choose, and when all you have are bad things out, I can in no way rescue you from yourself. Serious, bird shit brains. Continue. Conflict resolution. Success. Fuck. Always reverse. Draws is represented as 3 of Pentacles, 50 Pentacles. Spirit gives him personal advice too. It's always in reverse. Yeah, Spirit has his own relationship with draws. Think about that. Betrayal. Pisces reverse. 2 of Cups reverse. King of Cups. 8 of Cups. 2 of Swords reverse. Now, this King of Cups is a Scorpio and did nothing wrong as he's in the upright. Here's Pisces, reverse, Queen of Cups. So I'm going to go Pisces, deceit, 2 of Cups reverse, Scorpio, wrong decision, lack of growth, running. I had no choice. So bye, Scorpio, bye. Jeez, man. Heavy is the head that wears a crown. You guys really want to fucking be me? Do this shit. And try to come up with nice things to do for fuck off people who fucked you off. And try to be as fucking nice, decent as possible. And I'll just 10 swords them all to death. I just take Hermit and Magician, 10 swords, every other fucking sign. To tower death. The whole world will fucking fall. I can't just fucking do that. I've thought about it a few times. I have to genuinely think, well, that's a little too fucking harsh for the cocksucker. Pisces, 4 of Wands, reverse. Aquarius drops burdens. Divine timing. That's it. That's the end of that spell. Bird shit brains.